Hi, my name is Chloe. I am the owner of UniCAL Racing, a company that specializes in data logging systems for motorcycles specifically, but we also offer consulting on the Mectronik ECUs, which is now an ECU widely used in series like MotoAmerica and World Supersport. We've had a lot of questions about very simple features and very simple actions in the software, and I figured that we could just go ahead with very quick tutorials that we could send you guys, and that we could link up so that everybody gets to learn how to use the system. This first one is going to be about importing a map into MeCal. So let's say that you're not doing your maps, you have a data engineer that is working remotely or that is not with you at the track. You can have them email you a map, and you will then need to import it into the Mectronik software, MeCal. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do this. So first of all, we're going to open MeCal. We're going to close this page, which is just a disclaimer. And then secondly, we're going to select the last version of the ECU. In this case, it's a solo open. We'll get the last version, which is 2.2. Here, it's going to prompt us to select a map from the existing database. We will not use any of this because we're trying to import something new. So in this case, we just click cancel. And here we have this blank page. We'll go to this little folder here. All right. Oh, my bad. So we'll go to File, Data Import, and then from there you have access to your Windows Explorer, and you can go to wherever you save the map. So in my case, I saved it into the user-specific folder of that solo open. So here's the map that was sent to me by email. It is a .ngs, and that stands for Next Generation Strategy. You will have in some cases NGEs, which is the engine file, but often only manufacturers have it, or in the case of some open ECUs that are not allowed in racing series, you'd have the engine file. So open this. You can rename it. So in this case, we're going to call it 12. We want to close up active in this one. This tells you when this file was actually read from an ECU, but if it was just built by your engine builder, it could have, from shop X. You can also type any modification that were done, and then you click OK. It will show then, up here in the database. You could choose within the existing database that you have where you want to select it. In this case, it's a Yamaha. I didn't create a database for a Yamaha. We're going to just put it in the Suzuki. You have within the Event Rider bike here, you can actually set up filters. It will really help you when you start having 100 map. And you can simply click save, and here you can see that the working file that's been opened is that Golf 12. So now from here you can access all of your different parameters, make some modifications, for example to your engine brake, or make no modification. It is saved in your computer, and you will be able to then send it to your bike. We will talk about how to flash your bike with the new map in a different video when I'll be connected to my own motorcycle. And that's it. If you like this type of content, let us know. Ask us questions in the comment. Let us know what type of tutorials you would like, and I'll be happy to oblige. See ya.